Good afternoon. I will introduce myself. Full name Dionisia Sawu, with name 63,240,085, from class 631A07, Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain my opinion about smoking on campus. Smoking on campus is a complex issue involving various aspects, including health, regulation, and ethics. Many campuses implement no smoking policies to protect the health of students and staff, given the health risks associated with cigarette smoke for both active and passive smokes. This policy also aims to create a cleaner and more competitive learning environment. In addition, smoking in public places set campuses can cause social problems, including discomfort for those who do not smoke. In some cases, campus provide designated smoking areas as compromise. It is important for educational institutions to communicate clearly about smoking regulation and support programs that encourage healthy lifestyle among students. Part 2. The Customs War. Nearly all custom words in English start with the same two letters WX. Thus, custom words are also called WX customs. Who? We use who when we want to ask about people. Example question, who is that? Answer, my friend. What? We use what when we want to ask about things, animals, and action. Example question, what is your favorite food? Answer, it's fried chicken. Where? We use where when we want to ask about place. Example question, where are you from? Answer, I am from Flores. When? We use when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Example question, when are you going? Answer, this afternoon. What time? We use what time when we want to ask about time or hour. Example question, what time do you finish work? Answer, 2:30. Which? We use which when we want to ask about coitus or preference. Example question, which book have the question? Answer, they have question the textbook. Way? We use way where we want to ask about ration. Example question, why did you shoot the window this morning? Answer, because it was cold. When we are accustomed with way, they always begin with because. Who? We use who when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Example question, who picks his Sunday ridden? Answer, my case. Who? We use who when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Who by shall has Sandy ridden? Answer, my by shall. How? We use how when we want to ask about the way in which something happens. Example question, how are things at work? Answer, boring as usual. We how there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. How old, how many, how far, how much, how often, how long. How old? We use how old when we want to ask about a guest. Example question, how old are you? Are you how old are they? Answer 24. How much or many? We use how much or many when we want to ask about number, quantity, or price. Example question, how many letters have they written? Answer, they have written 5 letters. We use much with ensemble nouns and many with contemplate nouns. How often? We use how often when we want to ask about frequency. Example question, how often does she study? Answer, she studies every day. How far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. Example question, how far is it to Madrid? Answer, it's 1,500 kilometers to Madrid. How long? We use how long where we want to ask about duration or length. Example question, how long has Jason spent in Jakarta? Answer, she has spent about 2 weeks. Thank you.